All right, now we're doing 7Q over the road. This is by RGE123, and 89% of the people like it. We just moved into a perfectly onto a perfectly straight street with exactly identical houses on either side of the road. Naturally, we want to find out the house number of the people on the other side of the street. The street looks something like this. So odds are ascending, evens are descending, like it says right here. When n equals 3, 1 is the opposite, is opposite 6, blah blah blah. All right. Given our house number, address, and the length of the street, we're going to give the house number on the opposite side of the street. We've got some problems here because some of them are going to go up to billions, so we can't do certain checks and stuff and whatnot. Anyway, so that being said, so this is obviously one of those math trick katas. All right. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to go over here. We got to figure out some sort of pattern. Okay. So what is this? 1, when there's 3, the opposite's going to be 6. Okay. So what are the patterns here? Let's do, what is it? 3 times 2 would be 6. What's the pattern with that? I don't know. And then what's the patterns of these ones right here? But there's definitely something going on. So let's just try something. Let's say this times 2 is going to be 6. Minus 1 is going to be 5. Okay, that doesn't make sense. This times 2 is going to be 6. Minus 3 is going to be 3. But that's 1 less than what we want. And that's going to be 1 less than what we want here. 6 times 2 minus 2 is 4, which is 1 less than what we want. Okay, do we see a pattern coming up? 10 minus 3 is 7, but we want 8, which is 1 less than what we want. And then 22 minus 7 is 15, which is 1 less than what we want. So let's come over here. Let's just say const over the road equals address in. And if you noticed, all those were, when we multiplied this number by 2, subtracted this number, it was always 1 less than what the number we wanted, right? So let's say in times 2 minus 1. No, excuse me. 1 less than what we wanted. So let's say plus 1. Let's test that out. 7. Let's say minus 1 then. Test it out. Oh, that doesn't make sense either. N times 2. This is n, right? Yeah. Times 2 minus address. Minus address. Plus 1. Oh, there we go. Awesome. Attempt it. All right, look at that. Submit it. We didn't have to go to any other pages or anything to figure this one out. And look, it looks pretty much just like that one. Let's go to my solution. 50 of us plus these ones. Best practice in my opinion. Very much like this. And we'll see you next time.